So today we're going to see about list concepts. Sorry, before list we want to see what is string. Okay, so today's concept is string. Okay, I'll give one example. You have to assume that I'll write one email ID like student 123 at gmail.com. Okay. So the email ID consists, what are the characters it consists? What are the characters? It's
Alphabets, numbers,
alphabets, numbers, okay. Then
and
Special
it
symbols.
special symbols, okay. Can we call it as it's a character, S is a character, T is a character, U is a character. Can we call it as a sequence of characters?
Yes.
Sequence of characters, or we call it as collections of characters. Collections of characters, sequence or collections of characters. Okay, so string should be enclosed by quotes. Only we call it as string. Okay, I'll write the definition. You have to understood that. So string is a collection of collection or sequence of characters. Sequence of characters which is enclosed by what, guys? Which is enclosed
Double quotations.
by quotes. Its quotes is enough because the quotes contains may single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. We can use these kind of quotes. Okay. Okay. The characters are what? The characters are Alka's told, right? Characters are alphabets. Alphabets means capital A to Z, small a to Z, and it consists numbers 0 to 9 and special characters. Okay. Okay, so once you created mail ID, if it's possible to modify the email ID, guys, I created this mail ID student123 at gmail.com. If it is possible to modify this email ID after created,
uh,
Not possible.
impossible. So okay, so string is a it is immutable. Immutable means we can't modify. Okay, string is a immutable, so we can't modify the string. Okay, do you know now what is string? So string is the collection of or sequence of characters which is enclosed by one quotes. Okay, it may contain single or double or triple quotes. Okay. Okay, so Alpha, do you have any doubts in string? And Gautam?
No, I don't have.
Okay, so guys, listen carefully. So I'll assign in a variable. I can store the string into variable. Okay, just listen. In your mathematical calculation, you can do like this: is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, so c equal to a plus b. So what is the answer in print C? What is the answer?
it's different.
15.
15. Okay, so 5 is a value. So guys, call like that. So in left hand side it is called variable. In right hand side it is called value. The 5 value is stored in as a is variable. Okay, so a is a variable. Okay, so and here a is a variable, and the student at gmail.com in quotes is what? It's a value.
Value.
Okay, so variable should be starts with alphabets or underscore. Okay, it contains numbers or underscore. Okay, it should not starts with number. So variables are starts with what? Alphabets and
Or
underscore.
underscore.
But variable contains alphabets,
No.
numerics, and underscore only. Okay, we can create any names, A, B, or any other things, email or name. You can create any variables. Okay, and variable should not start with any def functions. Okay, it's already classes are already pre-built in pythons. Okay, we will see later. So now you have to ensure that variable should be starts with alphabets and underscore only. So do you have any doubt, guys?
Variable, what did you say? Can you repeat it again? Variable starts with only alphabets and
Variables.
underscore, and
Yeah,
value with the numbers.
it may contains alphabets, numbers, and underscore only. These three things only.
Okay, value.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, alphabets, numbers, underscore. These three things. Okay. Can you take a screenshot or a snapshot? I will remove this. Taken, huh? Have you taken,
Just just a minute.
guys?
Yeah. Done.
Okay.
Done.
So you can take and write the notes after the class. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I remove those. Have you taken, Gautam?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, now you know what is string. So string is the sequence of characters, so which is enclosed by ones. It's a codes. Okay. Now the next
Okay.
one is you have to know what is indexing. Indexing. So what is index in general term? In your books or any other textbook, in front pages index. Why they are given index?
The topics that contains
Sorry.
To go to quick references.
what is, yeah,
What is?
what are the topics it contains?
Okay,
Like a
we
book,
can
whatever the
access
topic.
we can access using indexing. Am I right?
Yeah.
If you want to see any other topics, you can see the indexing and what is the position number, and you can search on the page. Am I right? Is the
Yes.
same concept in indexing as so string has the index position. So the first position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is called positive indexing. There is two indexing in Python. So positive indexing, and the reverse starts -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it is called negative indexing. Negative indexing. Guys, don't take any notes, just listen and take a snap at last. Okay, so we can access like this. So print of a, what is the output? Print a, what is the output?
Apple.
Yes.
Apple. String of apple is right. So the output is apple. Okay, so what is the a of 0? Zeroth position. What is in zeroth
A.
index position? A.
Capital A.
A is a character A. Okay.
Character.
Okay. So you can try it, Alka. So A of 3. What is the third position in A?
P. It's P alphabet.
L. So L is the
Wow. Okay,
character
zero.
L. Okay. So what
Correct.
is the A of -1? A of -1. What is the -1 position?
E.
E, character E. Do you have any doubt in indexing, guys? There is a two indexing. Positive indexing starts with 0. Negative indexing starts with -1. Depends on the character's length. Okay. So you can access using index positions. Do you have any doubts in indexing?
No, not now.
Uh, just take a snap. Guys, I will write the code in Jupyter Notebook. Don't worry. Just listen the concepts, how it's work. Have you taken the snap?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys. I can remove. Okay, so the next one is slicing. So think like that. So what is slicing? Slicing. Can you hear this word? Slicing. What is slicing?
Yeah. It's like cut something in pieces.
you want to, yeah, you want to see a small part or a, like for examples in mango, we can slice the pieces, so because we want one part of the piece of mangoes, am I right? So slicing is the same concept, to view one part, any, to view slice any part. Okay, I'll tell you again. So you know the index position 0 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So the slicing syntax is variable or value. You know what is variable, what is value? Which one is variable? A and apple string.
A,
Which one is variable, which one
A,
is value?
yeah, A is variable, apple is value.
Yeah, A is variable and apple string is a value. Okay, so the index, it means the syntax. The syntax is start index, stop index, index, step. Okay, so guys, just listen carefully, it's very very important. Listen. So in print function, it is a print function. I can write a of 0 4 1. So guys, listen. 0 represents what? 0 represents start index. 0 represents what? Start index.
Start,
4 represents
stop index.
top index. 1 represents
What is
step.
it written?
1 represents
Is
what? Step. Okay, so listen, it starts with 0 1 2 3. Okay, in stop index we can't take stop index. So what is the step? A step is like one by one. In your staircase you can take a step like a one by one, like think 0 1 2 3. So what is the index position in 0 1 2 3? What is the answer? APP is APPL. Are you okay? So have you understood this?
can you repeat it again?
Okay. So listen carefully. So what is the, it is a start index. 0 is a start index. What is the end index?
3,
Stop index 4.
stop is 4,
Okay. So we can't take 4 before 4. What is the index? 3.
3.
So till 3. 0 1 2 3. We can't take 4. So what is the step? Step is 1. So we want to move one by one. 0 1 2 3. Okay, what is the output in 0 1 2 3? It prints first a character, then p, then again p, then one l. So it is a one by one step. I will give another example.
What is step here?
Sorry.
What is step here?
So step is moved by one, a p p l, like this. We'll give one more
Okay,
example.
one step, it's moving one step. So A, P, P, L, and uh, so 4 we cannot take till 3 it's taking.
See, this is the index
Because when you
position.
are counting,
Yeah.
you need to take 0 as 1. When you are counting, you need to take 0 as 1. But in indexing,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
starts with 0.
Okay.
Yes. Wait, I will give one more example. So guys, listen carefully. It starts with 0, 0 and ends with what? 4. Okay,
So
stop index is 4. Okay. So 4. So before 4, we will take 1, 2, 3. So what is the index step position?
2,
2. So we move on 0
8.
and 2, and here there is no indexing, so it will stop. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, got
Two
it.
steps, 0 2. So what is the index position 0 and 2? A and,
Only A and P.
okay, now
Yeah.
have you clarified? Okay,
Yes, yes.
just guys, just take a snap. I want to remove this. Just take a snap. I will give more examples, don't worry. Have you taken up?
Yes.
Okay, just listen.
Yes.
And Alka, you should take notes on your notebook. Okay.
Yeah, I'm taking.
Yeah, buy one notebook and take a notes because you are the beginner, so you don't know the Python, so you have to take and work out these things. Okay. So the next example is print uh, a of 0, 5 and 3. So what is the start index? What's
A.
0? What is the stop index?
It's 5. So
Can we
only
take
A.
5? Can we take 5? No.
No. Only A.
So what is the step position? 3, 0,
3.
1,
Okay. L.
2. Sorry, guys.
3. 3.
What starts with what?
A.
0,
And stop at 3. So L.
1. Okay, because what is the gap? So it's a step is 3. Okay, it's a first step and it's second step, and what is this? It's a third step. Okay,
Uh,
so what is the answer? 0,
AL.
A,
L.
L. Have you understood this?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, and one more example is there. Guys, listen carefully. So I can return print function a of 0, 5 minus 1. Okay, so what is the start index? 0 and ends with 4. We not taken 5. Okay, so what is the step? Reverse step. So we can step reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the fourth index position? E, L, P, P, A. The output is E, L, P, P, A. Have you understood? Reverse step. The step goes to on reverse. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
Minus 2 means if I give one minus 2, what is the answer? Just tell
EPA.
once again. So print of a of 0, 5 minus 2. Here I written minus 2. Sorry, once again. Okay. So what is the answer you told?
EPA.
Okay. So it starts with APPLE. So we can write in reverse. E. First thing is E. So starting,
Yeah.
what is the starting stage?
E.
E. And second step in reverse P,
P.
and in
A.
reverse A. E P A. So the output is E P A. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Gautam, can you catch my point? So you already know the slicing, is it?
A little bit, yeah.
Little bit. Okay. We can revise the concept, no issue. So guys, I will give another few examples. So just wait. It's really helpful to give some ideas. So wait. So in print function, print of a 0 colon 4. Guys, sometimes they will not put the step value. You can observe it. So if the colon is 1, there is a 2 value. The first value is start index, the second value is stop index. They will not provide step. By defaultly step is a contains 1. By defaultly set contains what?
1.
1.
One.
So what is the output?
APPL.
Yeah, the same concepts on left hand side. The same concepts, but they will not mention any step value. Okay, in another case they will not mention start index. Only they can return stop value only. So what by defaultly start index is automatically takes 0 and step index automatically takes 1. So what is the answer? What is the answer?
Same
Readable
answer.
plus.
Same answer. By defaultly guys, if you not given start index, it automatically starts with what? 0. Okay. And step is by defaultly what? 1. Okay. So
Yeah.
here's the same answer, APPL. Okay, and I will give one another example. Here I will not provide stop index. Okay, if you are taken any bus, there is no stop. So where the bus will reach?
Last stop.
Last stop, source to destination. So there is no stop. Okay, what is the starting index? What is the start index?
Zero.
Start index is 0. There is no stop. So what is the destination?
Last.
Till last. So here the output is APPLE.
LA.
What is the step? By default its step is 1. So it print one
Wow.
by one. APPLE. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. We'll give one more example. Print of. Here I will never give start index, stop index, step. So what is the start index?
Zero.
It's zero.
0. What is the stop index? It takes all. From
Yeah.
0 to all. Then
All.
what is the step?
One.
1.
1. 1 by 1. A P P L E. So it print like similar. Okay, we'll give one more example. Print of A of colon minus 1. So what is represents? So what is the start index? What is the start index?
It's
Sorry,
P.
So
by
you
default
have
one.
put the -1, right? So it will
Yeah.
start
P.
from 4.
Okay, just a way. Colon. Okay, what is the start index?
P.
Guys,
It's
Start
zero
index,
zero
then
is
there
the
zero.
is
start
nothing, it is
index.
0.
What is the
Zero.
stop index?
It's like all.
Till. Okay,
Yeah.
starts with
Whatever.
0. APPLE. So here,
E.
what is the
4.
step? What is the step value?
-1.
Minus 1. So minus 1 means reverse.
L. E.
ELPPA. So it's automatically prints reverse. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Actually, it's
No.
very easy topic, so no issue. We'll
Yeah.
give one more example, guys, and you have to practice. Okay, and Alka, you have take more time after the class. You can prepare each and everything. Okay,
Yeah. Sure.
don't miss any classes and don't waste any times. Okay, and properly, if you taken properly handle all the time, so it's really helpful. Within 3 months, you can learn all these things. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so print off, guys, listen. Here I never write anything. Start, stop, step. So what is the answer? And why the answer came? So what is the answer?
Whole character apple.
Apple. So what is the start index?
0.
0. What is the stop?
4.
No. You don't mention 4 till end.
Till
Okay.
end. Yeah.
Don't
Whatever.
mention
Here is 4.
till destination. Okay. So
Yeah.
what is the step?
1.
1. Yes. It's guys, you just take the snapshot. Snake, take a snapshot, please. Have you taken both?
Uh,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Done.
Okay. Okay, guys. Let me move on the concept. Just listen. I will share you the recording session. Don't worry. If you have any doubt, you can see the record again. Okay. So see, so this is the main concepts here I taken. Okay. So you have to create like similar whatever I written in this notebook. You can like do like a similar. Day2 hyphen string is the name, and you can write the string. Okay. Okay. Guys, using Markdown, you can write what string. Okay, so imagine here's the new cell, so you can go to click code and click markdown. You can write at what string. Okay, so if you give double hash, it's the sizes differ from small in size. Have you seen the difference? One hash is the font
Yes.
size is large and it's small, and it's a smaller than, have you seen?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
In normal, so it's a paragraph like para tag. I think you know, do you know html? So it's a
Correct.
h1 h2 h3, like the tag size. Okay, this
Yeah.
is markdown. If you write code, so it will change as a command line. The hash mention as what command line. Okay, so the first thing is you can write like this, or else you can take the notes on your notebook. Okay, no needed. So you should come, at least you should complete the codings. Okay, codings and the small headings. Okay, and listen. So string is the word collections of sequence of character, and which is enclosed by words codes, and string contains single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. The characters are words, alphabets, numbers, or special characters. So string is the immutable. Okay,
Mutable.
so guys, listen, in data science and AI they are mainly focusing so for text processing. Have you noted in your YouTube caption, if they are providing any classes in English, the caption is automatically provided in English? Have you seen?
Yes.
That is for
Yeah.
text
Yeah.
processing. The string helps text processing also. Okay, and feature extractions. In once you uploaded your PDF or any other in Google Lens, have you extracted text?
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a feature
Scanning.
extractions. Yeah, in Google Lens you can extract the texts. Is, and the next thing is cleaning and tokenization. Guys, later after 2 or 3 weeks only you can understand these concepts. What is text processing? Here I will teach in NLP concept, feature extractions and categorical text in tokenization. You have to learn on NLP concept. Okay, on that week. Okay, so the main thing is I already told that in left side of equal to, what is this variable, and we call it
Yeah.
as variable, sorry, value. Okay, so it's a simple task. Have you understood?
Yes.
We have assigned the value of hello to a variable and we have
Yes.
printed it out.
Is hello is stored in a variable what? It's a is variable. Okay.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, so comes to next one. So here I written two, I mean, collections of elements. Okay. By defaultly, it automatically prints with what? Bracket. Or else you can give it brackets. If you given square brackets, so it automatically prints with what? Square bracket. If you use curly brackets, so it's automatically prints with curly brackets. Okay. And next thing is, if you give parenthesis, we call it as parenthesis or C bracket. Okay, so the what is the output? It comes from
See that.
parenthesis bracket. If there is, by defaultly it will comes from what? Parenthesis only. Okay, or else if you not given, you just given comma only, so it also print with what? Parenthesis. If you give, remove the comma, so what is the output? So it is from string. Okay, so if you give comma, it will automatically takes as a tuple. Okay, do you have any doubt assigning multiple variables values to variable? Do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay, so guys, don't do the coding in Jupyter Notebook. You can open your VS Code and do the coding. Okay, you can make us a hands-on practice using VS Code because the companies are mainly working in a VS Code only. Okay, and here is a multiple variables, I mean multiple values are assigning to a multiple variables. So normally we can write like a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c is equal to 30. So here you can write like this: same weights, equal number of values, and equal number of variables. What is the output of print a? What is the output?
Oh, sorry,
Here
10.
will be 10.
10. So what is the output of print c?
30.
Print c is 30. What is the
Okay, okay,
output of,
C is,
sorry?
yeah, C is 30.
Okay, I just asked. So what is the output of C plus B?
It's 50.
50. Okay, do you have any doubts?
No.
Okay. The next thing is slicing. This will try you people. I think Alaska Alka. So what is the answer? So what is the start index Alka?
A.
Ah no, I'm asking just
Okay,
index.
0, 0.
Zeroth index. What is the stop index?
Like whatever characters are there,
It takes all till destination.
or
Zero to
till
destination.
destination,
What is the stop index? Sorry,
it's
step,
1.
step,
This
step.
step is 1.
Step is one. So what is the answer, Alka?
Hello world.
Yes, the answer is hello world. Okay. So you can try it, Gautam. So what is the start index?
Start index is 0.
Zero. What is the stop index?
6.
6. Step is
Step is by default it is 1, which
okay.
is not
So what is the
mentioned anything.
answer? Zero,
I need to
1,
calculate
2, 3, 4, 5.
and space.
The,
Is hello include space. The output is hello include space. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any doubt in Alka?
no,
Okay, let's see. Let's you can try it, Alka. So what is the start index?
0,
Stop
5
step.
is 2.
So what is the output?
H, L,
A
and 1, yeah.
H L
O.
O.
H, L, O.
Yes, you are right. So the answer is H L O. Okay. So you can try it, Gautam. So what is the answer?
When nothing is mentioned, it is starts from 0 to the
Zero.
end. So,
Okay.
and at the end we are reversing the string. So the
Yes.
start. So the answer will be D L R O W space O L L
Yeah,
L.
everything's present.
We are
Position in
reversing the
reverse.
string.
Okay. So what is the answer here, Alka?
Hello world.
High level. How you tell it's high level?
By default it's 0 and then till destination and step will be 1. So it
Yeah.
will be hello world.
Yeah, right. So what is the answer here? So Gautam, what's the answer?
So the index has been taken as -5 start index, and ending index is -1. Uh, by default, step is 1. I haven't calculated -5, 0, -1, 2, +2, 4, 5. So starting from W, it starts with W.
Okay, because W is -5, right? -5,
Correct,
-4, -3, -2. Can we
correct,
take -1?
correct. It is mentioned as -1, so we cannot take it. See, in 0 to 4, we are not taking 4. We are taking only 3 characters.
Yeah.
Here, -5 to -1 means we can take 0 only.
No, 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 no. We will take still -2 only. Never take
-2,
-1.
yeah, sorry,
Okay.
-2 only. minus
Uh,
5 to -2 only we will take.
okay. So what is this output? Alka, what is the output in -2?
Yeah, -2 is D
D
and O.
or
D,
W?
O, then O.
Yes, it's reversely print one by one. Is right. -2 means two steps. D or W. Okay, I think you people are strong in slicing concepts. Do you have any doubts in slicing concepts, guys?
Nothing
Okay,
from
let
my
me move
side.
on next concept. Okay. So guys, within 15 minutes we can complete our class. Don't worry. You just listen careful. So here I written hello world is stored in a C. So it is string methods. So we call it as upper method. If you apply C as the upper method, so it's automatically represents as a uppercase. If you are using lower method, it automatically display as a lower cases. If the capitalized means first letter is capital and the remaining letter is small. If strip method is the space beginnings and ending will be removed on strip method. And the next thing is len function. So len means how many letters in this. What is the length? I mean index position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the space also count. Okay. So what is the length? What is the length of hello world?
Total 11.
Yes, the space also one character. Okay. So guys, do you have any doubts in string methods? Upper, lower, capitalize. Do you have any doubt?
I think Alka is out of the call.
Sorry?
Alka is not in the call.
Oh my god. Just a minute, Gautam.
Hmm.
Okay. So have you understood these string methods?
Yes.
If you are using upper method, it's changes upper cases. If you are using lower method, it converts into lower cases. If you are use capitalized method, first letter is capital, remaining is smaller. And if you are use strip method, the beginning and ending is the space will remove on using strip method. If you are using hello world like a len function, so the space is also one of the character. How many characters in this string, inside the string? It's 11 characters. Do you have any doubts in string methods?
Okay, I think I disconnected at that time. Fine, it's easy. I understand.
Oh, okay, no issue. The concept is very, very simple. You have to apply your logical thinking. Okay. The concatenation means combining or joining. Okay. What is the answer? If you are combining five is a integer. Five
Mm-hmm.
is a integer. Okay. So guys, you have to this know what is the data type. See, you have to know data types, guys. So it's mandatory. So 5 is a integer. So 5 is a integer, and 5.5 is a, it means 6.5 is a point value. It's a float data type. So APPL. So it is a, what's the data type? String.
Fine.
And the next one is true. True is a, true or false is a Boolean
Boolean.
data type. And the next one is 4J. J is a complex. We'll provide another example. 5 plus 4J is also complex because it contains what? J characters. The both are complex. Okay. Have you understood? Have you understood the data type?
These both are complex. Yeah.
Is because
Yes.
it contains J. The complex sheet contains J only. Okay. Do you know what is string integer? What is float? What is, okay? I'll write one thing. So what is this now? What is the data type?
Integer.
Integer. What is the data type now?
Where?
Sorry?
Float.
Float. What is the data type now? What is the
Because
data?
J is there, it becomes complex.
What is the data type now?
Come on, Alka. When it is in quotation marks,
Yes.
Complex.
String.
Yeah.
Quotation, whatever it is there in the quotation marks, it will become string.
Yes. It's a collections of characters, right? Hmm. Okay. You just take a snapshot, guys. We are move on next one. Have you taken? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. So it's both
Can you
are
ask? Can you ask the same questions of integer, float, like that, so that Alka might understand?
okay. So Alka, do you understand?
Yeah,
So
actually, I'm driving to
Alka,
mobile right now, so that
Alka,
screen was not visible properly at that
Alka,
time.
see.
But now I got it. If there is only number, it's integer.
Uh, so
Hello?
all the numbers are called as what? Integer. Okay, whole number or
Integer.
real number.
Yeah.
Real numbers or whole numbers. So if the number
Mm,
contains point, so it is float. If
yes.
everything is inside the quotes, is called string. If it
Okay.
contains j, it is called complex. Either true or false is called boolean.
Boolean.
Yeah, this is a predefined keyword, so we will never give any quotes on true or false. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So if the both are integer, what is the answer? The number 5, if you add 5 plus 5, what is the answer?
Yeah. It's 10, like 8 plus
10. Okay. So if you add 5 string, I will explain you later once again. Okay. Here's the string hello and world. If you are combining hello plus world, what is the output?
Okay, so hello word, and because it's mentioned in C, so that's why it will be, yeah,
Yes,
hello
the
word.
string, both are string. Okay. So if I
Yeah.
write like so 5 is a string and another one is
Mm,
string. So what is the answer? Just guess me what is the answer. So both are string, not integer, not float. Both are string.
mm,
5 plus 5 5 it's the answer. 5 is a character and another 5 is a character. Okay.
okay.
If it is in string, so it is a character. No, we call it as 5 as a integer and it's a float. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. And kindly work it on your VS Code. It's mandatory. Okay, here I return one space. So what is the output? Hello space world.
Word.
Have you catch my point?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so next thing I will explain you format string later. Now you tell me, guys, if you don't know the data type, you can use type function. Okay, you can use type function and return the value. So now tell me, so what is a? It's an integer float or what? What Alka?
It's integer.
Integer. So what is the type? So it prints a 5 and what is the class? It is an integer class. Okay, what about B?
B is,
It's an integer
yes,
complex or
so
float?
it's complex.
Okay.
Complex.
Okay. So B is a complex. So what is the data type? Complex. So what is C? What
Mm,
about C? If you are combining A plus B, so what is C? Complex or integer? What is the data type? You are combining
it's
both things.
integer.
So what is the answer?
A and B, it's complex. It will be complex.
Okay, because listen carefully, the output is what? 10 plus 15j. So it is a
15
complex.
is
Okay.
complex, yeah.
So what is the data type? 5 point means float.
5 point is float.
Okay. So by defaultly, if you not put comma, so it is a string. Okay. If you put comma, it is changed into tuple. Okay, I'll explain you tuple day after tomorrow, no issue. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so and the next thing is you try it, Alka. So what is the answer? What is the start index, stop index? What is step?
Start is 4,
Okay,
stop is 0,
okay,
and step is -1.
okay.
So
Minus one.
stop is 0.
Okay,
So, so okay, fine, 0. EL double B.
E L.
We will start from reverse.
But the
Not
output
EA,
is but the
EL double
output
B.
is ELPP.
Uh,
Hmm. Tell me.
what?
See, listen. What is the start index?
Yeah, I told start index was 4.
4. Stop index is 0. The condition
Uh,
is
-1. Step is -1.
minus 1. Listen, we have to calculate the number in reverse. What is the
Yeah.
reverse? You just reverse the
E.
number. 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we take 0?
No.
No, because it's a stop index. So what is the output? 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the output?
The same EL
Yes,
double P.
yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last one is format string. It's very very easy. That's all, guys. Just 2 minutes. Age is a variable and it's a value. So it's an integer or float or string.
It's integer.
Integer. Okay, the format string should contains f. F is a format. We shortly call it as f. Format is shortly represent as f, and it is a string. The string contains is a placeholder. So inside the string, it is called as what? Placeholder. Inside the placeholder, what is? It's a variable. Okay. If it is automatically prints as a I'm 25 years old, you can give like a operations also. uh 3 twos are. So what is the answer? Ages. You can perform as some mathematical operations, or you can call as any way any functions, or you can call as a variable inside the placeholder. Okay, have you understood what is placeholder and why do we use? Alka and
Yeah.
Gautam, have you understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Gautam, I
Yes,
think
boss.
the placeholder is new for you, am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
New
just
for me, but
listen
I
carefully.
understood.
Yes, yes. And I will explain this one. Guys, listen carefully. Here I am declared as the variables. Okay, quantity, item number, then one price. Okay, here I writing format, dot format. Format means it's a order. It's a zeroth index, it's a first index, it's a second index. It automatically presents on placeholder. It's a zeroth index, its first
And
index, and its second index. By defaultly it presents. First one is what? Price and quantity, and the next thing is item number. Okay, have you understood? If you change the index positions, so it automatically prints what? Change the order. So listen, what is the output? What is the second index here? What is the second index? Guys, here's the order is price is 0, quantity is 1, item number is 2. What is the second index?
0, 1, 2, it's item.
Item is the second index. And 0 is a
Price.
price. And first index is a
Quantity.
quantity. So have you understood, Alka?
no, can you repeat it?
See, by defaultly, it's automatically takes as a 0, 1, 2.
Hmm.
Okay, 0, 1, 2, and its the order is like format. Price is a zeroth index, sits on zeroth index, and quantity is first index, and item number is second index. Okay, so it's automatically prints with order. Okay,
Okay.
if you change the index position like 2 or 1, sorry, we can write 0 as a 1. It automatically changes the index position. Okay.
Mhm.
What is the second index position, Alka?
Is 0.
Here, what is the here, what is the second index
It's
position?
quantity.
Aha, quantity is first index. Zeroth index is price. First index is quantity. Second index is what? Item number. So what is the second index, Alka?
Item number.
Item number. Check. Item number is present here.
Yeah.
So what is the zeroth index, Alka?
0 is quantity.
It's already in order. Hey, don't compare 201. The order is not 201. The order is not 201. It's in 0123. Here's the order is same. Okay, here's the order is same order. 012. Okay.
0. Okay. 0, 1, 2. So
Hmm.
0 will be price.
Yeah.
1.
Hey,
Okay. Got it.
you can change the indexing. You can change the indexing here. 1, 2, 0. So what is the answer? Guess. What is the first index? First index is what?
It's price. I'm not getting what is first, second, third index you are asking about.
So in APPLA, what is starting the A? The position.
Okay.
Index.
So
It
that
is
is the
0,
first.
right?
Yeah, that is first.
So likewise in format, if you are taking price, quantity and item number, price will become 0. In
0.
Apple, A, yeah.
Okay.
Quantity will be,
Uh, Quantity will be
See,
depends on what is the item here.
Alka, so the index is never change. Okay. So the format order is, so what is the order? 0, 1, 2. This is
0,
only index
1.
position. You can write any indexes on this. You can write one on all places. So what is the first index position in this three?
It's 0
No. What is the first index in this three? 0, 1, 2. Which one is first index?
price.
Price is a zeroth index, Alka. Price is a zeroth index. Quantity
Okay,
is a
first
first
index
index.
is then quantity.
So the output is all are present in quantity is there.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So what is the second index, Alka? In format, what is the second
Item.
index?
Item.
Item number. So prints all the item number. Whatever
Okay.
you want, give the number only, index number only.
Okay.
Now have you understood?
Yes, yes, got it.
By default, it automatically what? By default, it automatically takes us a 0, 1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
Okay, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the same thing. Here I am written and stored as a order and given a format. The both are same thing. Okay. Do you have any
Okay.
doubts in format string? I think there is no doubt in Gautam. And what about Alka?
Yeah, I'll see it once more. Got it actually. I'll just practice once more.
Yeah. Okay, Alka. So guys, in at the video end of the video, I just scroll for 1 or 2 minutes. You can see the last video is enough to for coding and taking notes. Okay.
Yes.
We'll share the video on your group.